Good morning, guys. Hope everyone is doing fine today. My name is Gaurish, and I'm back with about 4 to 5 hot stocks to watch for today. So, let's get started for today, guys. The first and most important stock to watch for today, I think the name of the company is OLB Group Inc. Ticker symbol is OLB. Pre market price is 14.23. It is up by about 91% today. Before hours volume is 5.8 million. News for this stock News for this stock that came in today morning at 7 a.m. was that OLB Group announces plan to offer cryptocurrency payment options via blockchain technology on its Omni Commerce platform and Secure Paytm gateway. So I think they are aligning towards the new technology of blockchain, and that's why I think it's increasing, and this is the stock to watch today. Importantly, because I think this stock will be boosting by some amount today. So keep that in mind and wait for 20 to 30% of gains. Don't wait too long since these are penny stocks, as I always say. So keep that in mind. Second stock to watch, name of the company is Atlas Crest Investment Corp. Ticker symbol is ACIC. Pre-market price is 15.3. It is up by about 36% right now. Before our volume is 4.38 million. News for this stock was that Archer is to go public through merger deal with SPAC Atlas Crest. Receives $1 billion from United Airlines, and that this news came in today morning at around 7:40 a.m. And once this news came out, as you can see, there was a hike of about $4. It was trading at around $12, and then it went up to about $15.5. So this is the second stock to watch because of this news. The third stock to watch, name of the company is Biopath Holdings Inc. Ticker symbol is BPTH. Pre-market price is 10.20. It is up by about 96% right now. Before hours volume is 3.67 million. And news for this stock was that Biopath receives third US patent grant related to manufacture of platform technology. And this news came in today morning at 7 a.m. After this news came out, as you can see, it doubled. It went from about 5.5 to about $10, 10.72, and then it again came down and it's increasing now. So once the pre-market highs are crossed, then only invest into these companies, as these are only for day trading. These are not for long term, and for long term for about an year, not long term but short term, for about an year. So the name of the company is Riot Blockchain. I have been suggesting this stock from about last few months now, because this stock is related to Bitcoin, and I am pretty bullish on Bitcoin, and I think it will be going 80,000 soon. So once Bitcoin reaches 80,000, Riot can go up to 60. When I suggested this stock when it was trading at around $7 to $8, and now my first target was around $40, and it was already achieved today. It was trading at around 39 $40. It touched about $40 today morning when the market opened, and then it came down again to 37.7. So my first target is achieved, and for the second target, I think Riot will be going to about $60 when Bitcoin reaches 80,000. So this is the last stock to watch, and this is for long short term, like for 1 year. And I'll let you know, guys, when to get out of this stock, as Bitcoin will be touching new highs, and then it will be going down for this year and for the next 4 years, till the next halving is done. So these are all the four stocks to watch today. First three are for short term, and right is for first three are for day trading, and right is for short term. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Also keep that in mind before investing. Keep your stop losses before investing into any of these companies, because as you all know, these are all penny stocks, and they tend to go down as quickly as they go up. So keep that in mind and invest accordingly. Also wait for the pre-market highs. Once the pre-market highs are crossed, then only invest into these companies and wait for about 20 to 30% of gains. Once this stock goes up, then you book your profits as soon as possible. Don't wait too long. I am talking about the day trading stocks, okay, and not for Riot. The stocks like Riot, CCIV, all these stocks are for short term because CCIV is also having another deal. Is having a deal with Lucid Motors. So once that deal goes through, I think that CCIV will be getting new highs. But before that, we would like to get out of that stock because I don't know. Once the deal is done, it can go down as well. That's why. So Riot and CCIV are for short term, but right now I'm just suggesting Riot because I'm pretty bullish on Bitcoin, and rest three are for day trading. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like my videos. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're liking my videos and if you're earning any profits from them, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.